across here, across the railroad track here, was what we call a viaduct. Starting here, on down through there is the railroad track that leads to the cutoff. It's maybe half a mile down there. And we grew up there. Now, Charlie McKnight, who was talking to me, his family used to live on the hill over there. And Clary got on fire and was killed that way. And his dad was killed, I don't remember whether it was a wreck. He was talking about his dad getting killed, but I'm not sure exactly where. But she married Courtney Fletcher then. And Charles said he did not know until a few years ago that Courtney was an alcoholic. I don't think you can see any of the houses down in there.
A little, it looks like. It's red.
Well, while you've got it handy, let's just go up by the city school.
Okay, that sounds
good.
good.
That one too. Well, I'm going to go ahead and turn right.
This is the light. It keeps being red seemingly in every direction. We're just waiting thinking, well, someone has to have a green light and we're waiting for it to change, and it doesn't. It either sometimes it changes, so
Be sure that's not running. They used to call